Hello, welcome back. We're on problem 5 of this WeBWorK. So we have a little bit different here than the previous problems. We have a lower bound of x and an upper limit of x squared. So instead of having a constant and then a value of x, we have both x's. So by fundamental theorem, we still have the same process, but this time we have the lower bound. Let's just spell it out. Lower bound is x. Our upper bound is x squared, and our integrand is 2 to the 4th, so that's not too bad. But apply the fundamental theorem here. To find f prime of x, we need to differentiate the upper bound, x squared, differentiate x squared, plug in x squared into t, 4. So we have 2 to the 4th here. Get x squared raised to the 4th power. Subtract that. Now we have got to subtract that because we have the lower bound. Differentiate the lower bound, which is just x here. And then plug in the lower bound into our function, or into our integrand here. And so that would be x to the 4th. All right, now we have it all set up. We're going to simplify it now. This is equivalent to the derivative of x squared is simply 2x. Now we got to remember our power rules here. When we have x squared to the power of 4, we got to multiply. So we multiply this 4 by 2. It's going to give us 8 times x to the 8th. With that, minus derivative of x is just 1 times x to the 4th. Now we're going to simplify this a little bit. Now when we multiply powers, we add them. So x to the 1st times x to the 8th is x to the 9th. So you have 2 x to the 9th minus x to the 4th. That is equal to f prime of x, and we have solved problem 5.